Okay, for today's video, I'm going to be playing some build battle. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and head on into the game. Where is it? There it is. Oh no, unicorns. My weakness. Because I suck at animals. Yay. Guess what? Oh great. I'm going to make it really bad. I'm going with very chibi. Chibi all the way. Yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah, yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah, yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah, yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah. Chibi all the way. Yeah, yeah. I'm probably not going to be the only one that does this. But I gotta make mine look good. It's probably not even long enough. But who cares? I don't. Well, let's see. Oh great, I made it a double. Shift. Okay. There. That works. Beautiful. I'm a beautiful butterfly. Probably just going to cut this audio. What else? That looks weird at the bottom. And the top. I'm just going to put that there. Okay, wait. Let's see. Does it look like... Yeah. Since I have the time, I might as well elongate it. Not even going to be that difficult. Just add a second, put another little area here. Sorry if the mouse is too loud. I need to work on my audio skills. Okay, that just looks weird. Let's just keep it as a chibi. I don't like that. It looks fat. Because it is fat. It's a horse. Oh my god, it's a unicorn. Am I... This will have to do. Oh god. I should have made this 3 wide. Oh. Oh my. Yeah, this was supposed to be a 30 wide animal. But I got 50 seconds. And I almost forgot to change it to grass. I guess I could do a particle. Heart, I guess. But, yes. I've never been much for using particles, but I guess I will now. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's legendary. My god. No? Yes, good. Rookie, Happy, whatever your name is, you were amazing. Oh my god. It's... okay. Mine is better. That will give me nightmares forever. Literally. Nightmare fuel. It's so bland. Even mine was better than that. Pixel art! If you didn't know, I hate pixel art. I guess the more you know. Oh my god, this is legendary. Literally not even kidding. That was amazing. Yeah, I see it. Okay, it's good. Good. It gets 2. I got 4th! That's not even bad. One time I got 1st, but that was a long time ago. Well, on to the next game. Okay, so we're doing an airplane. Yay, I get it. Embarrass myself in front of 5 people, really, actually. I'm not that popular. Well, the whole internet has a possibility of seeing this video. Boop. Boop, boo, doo, 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 doo. I don't know why I do it so complicated. I just do. This is going to be the definite. Wait. Options. I was getting bored of not having any sound. Well, I got time still. Wonder how other people will do. Probably better than me. My dog's here. Say hi, Beans. Yep, that's right. That's the name of my dog. I'll make a video of her someday. Oh, right. It's supposed to be building. Then, boop. Wait, I should use quartz. Stairs, wherever they are. Where are stairs? Perfect. Nope. Oh my god, I hate trying to figure it out. You know what? Never mind. Block. That wasted too much time. Because I allowed it to. You gotta take responsibilities for your actions. You know, all that rubbish. Perfect. I'm messing up the plane and working on Where's Sony's glass? There we go. Beautiful. Oh my god. This is a work of art. It should be featured in a museum for worst art. Never said it was good art. You know, I would lock myself in, but it's like I gotta work on the outside a bit because, you know, life. Then boom. So it's 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see if I can get 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. And I did it backwards and 1 too far forward. So I have to do it here. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 2, 1. Now is it good? Yep. I was going to put blue on it, but it's a bit late for that. Behold my rocket ship. Yeesh, that's bad. Oh, why am I so bad at this? Why does it have eyes? Yay, I have a sucky build. No one's even voting. It's that bad. Well, I can say this guy's worse. At least I have that. Oh my god. Experience. Okay. You're a bit bulky. You're not that fat. What even is this? Is there blood? Stupid pixel art! I've lost faith in humanity. She had the same thing as mine, except better. This doesn't even look like a plane. At least mine look like a plane. It's good. Bit fat, but good. I forgot the tail. No, it's okay. I came in 6th, like a doofus. Yay. Well, guys, that was a great time. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!